Volcano. Earth is home to some extraordinary natural wonders, yet how and why they are formed is still a mystery. But now new technologies give us the detail on how they are working. My name is Darren S. Malibiran and I'll be looking at how these extraordinary mystery works in the understanding of human technology. A volcano is a place where hot and fiery molten rocks escape from beneath the Earth's surface. The volcano has been so important not just in providing nutrients on plants nearby, but also in regulating heat in Earth's system. Yes, it is dangerous, but is useful. Did you know that most of our atmosphere is made of gases from the volcano? According to United States Geological Survey, volcanic eruptions lead to new landforms and oceans that lead to the evolution of life. So we are here thanks to volcanoes. It is important to study volcano for us to be aware of what it can do. It is so dangerous that it can kill you in an instant. So it is important to know the steps on what to do before, during, and after a volcanic eruption. If you experience small earthquakes, it is a sign that a volcano will erupt. So what to do before volcanic eruption? Well, it is simple. All we need to do is prepare emergency supply kit such food, water, first aid kit, flashlight, battery-powered radio, and don't forget to bring a face mask to prevent yourself from inhaling ashes. Gather your family members and listen to the instructions of authority and prepare for evacuation. During a volcanic eruption, follow the evacuation order of authority. If you will stay indoors, don't forget to close all the windows and doors to protect you and your family from the ashes. Listen on the radio to get the latest information about your surroundings if it's already safe outside or not. After a volcanic eruption, you are not yet safe from volcanic ash. It can get through your respiratory system, so don't forget to wear face mask, wear goggles to protect your eyes, and wear long-sleeved shirts and pants to protect your skin. Clean your roof from ashes because it is too heavy that it can make your house collapse. These are just some of precautionary measures on what to do before, during and after a volcanic eruption. That's all for today, and soon I'll be telling you more about volcanoes. Again, I'm Darren S. Malibiran. See you.